Hello, incoming CLEB band students and parents. We just want to congratulate you, firstly, because you signed up for band. And what does that mean? You are in the CLEB band program. Now, we believe that music plus students equals success. And we breathe this in our class every single day. We get to see our wonderful band students excel in the art of playing a musical instrument. Now, my name is Mr. Gonzalez, and I teach the beginner woodwind classes and beginner percussion class, as well as lead the symphonic band and co-teach the other advanced ensembles. Mrs. King is our assistant band director, and she teaches the beginner brass, co-teaches the symphonic band, and is the lead director of Concert A and Concert B. Now, in beginner class, we have our specific classes, and Mrs. King teaches all the brass, I teach all the woodwinds and percussion. But when we get into the more advanced classes in the next year, we combine together and we co-teach the other classes. It's really, really fun. Now that you're a band student and signed up, well, what are the advantages of joining band? Well, I have to say, this is probably my favorite one. You are going to take some really cool trips with your other band friends, such as going to Hurricane Harbor at the end of the year, maybe even going to Main Event throughout the year, and also just doing some social events here on campus, like movie nights in the band hall. Now, we also get to have really fun concerts for the school, but also for your family. Now, parents, you're probably going to love this one. Playing an instrument helps your brain development, social skills, fine motor skills, and also sets the students up for success as an adult. Now, that sounds pretty cool to me also. Parents, here's some fun did you know. Now, students involved in band, well, firstly, they get higher grades in their classes. 2, they score higher in math and test scores. 3, they have higher graduation rates. And this one's pretty cool too. Students who play musical instruments do better in a foreign language because music is a foreign language, which is universal and played all around the world. So there's their next foreign language that they'll learn. Now, parents, this is what do I need to do now? Well, on this website and underneath this video, we have a list of things that we want you to do. Underneath this video, you'll see a sign up for Remind, and this is for our beginners for 2021 and 2022 school year. So please sign up. I'll be sending information once you've signed up through the summer for things that you need to take care of. As you scroll further down, you're going to see probably the main thing that you need to do right now, which is a pre-band interview information steps. You want to expand this document, and you're going to see 4 steps, really 3. The first one is the instrument demonstration video, which your child needs to watch. It's about 20 minutes long, but there's a awesome military group that will demonstrate every single instrument. Now, this will help your child in picking instruments for the interview night. Now, the second step is the instrument choice interview sign up. This is the thing that you want to do right after. You get to sign up for one time and one day for us band directors to interview your child to be placed on an instrument. These interviews will be done via Zoom this year. So, parents, we definitely want one entry per family on this Google form sign up for instrument choice interviews. The third one is our band database information, which we do all of our database through Charm's office. So read the instructions and complete. Now, please fill out this and go through this whole form, check it all off, and mark your calendar for the day and time that you will be doing your Zoom interview to choose an instrument for your child. Okay, so what's next? Now, with the Instrument Choice Interview Day, we just ask that you show up on time for the Zoom meeting. We have a number of kids showing up at specific times, so first come, first serve, and we'll throw you into a room. Also, we ask that at least one parent show up and be present during the Zoom interviews. Now, when we finish the interview, there's a good chance that we will not tell your child what instrument they're on until the following week. The directors, we all need to go through the list and see where everybody fits. Now, we have two music companies when it comes to purchasing instruments and materials, Music and Arts and H&H Music, both awesome music companies, and they really take care of our CLEB students. All the information from contact information to store location will be emailed with the confirmation, with your child's confirmation on what instrument they're going to be playing for next year. Now, with class schedules and band fees, right now, once we put your child in a class, you have nothing else to do. We will talk to the counselors. We'll make sure that they're in the correct class. And for band fees, we'll just worry about that at the start of the year. We'll give you all the information for that. So we'll have everything in detail at the start of the school year. Thank you for taking the time to go through this video with me. And also, we hope that this video was helpful to you in guiding you and your child into joining the CLEB band. Feel free to reach out to us at any time, either through email or through Remind. Now, please proceed to the pre-band interview information checklist at the bottom of this website. We look forward to seeing you at the interviews. Go CLEB Band!